this is a seated spinal twist. So again, you want to come to the edge of your seat so that your spine is nice and long. And then you'll take your right hand and you're gonna grab hold of the left side of the back of your chair. This might be enough for you. You'll take your left hand and you'll bring it to your right knee. And you'll take a big breath in and you'll exhale. You'll start to look towards the right. Inhale. Exhale. Full breath in. Full breath out. One more. Inhale. Exhale, maybe your eyes look all the way back. And then gently take your left hand to your left knee and begin to peel yourself back to center. If that is too intense for you, then take both hands and you're gonna bring them to the right side of your chair. So you need to move over to the left a little bit. Make sure your feet are nice and grounded and that your knees are relatively on top of your ankles. You'll take a big breath in and a full exhale out. See if you can lift your chest as you use your own body strength to kind of twist you. And the idea is that you want to keep pulling this left hip back. So acknowledging the left side, you might need to come up on your fingertips if your hips are really tight. Take a full inhale. And then see if you can open up your right shoulder a little bit more. And then come back through center. Be very mindful as you twist forward. Bring yourself back into the center of your chair.